Hello and welcome back. Now that you've signed up, let's continue to generate our first course so that learners can start enrolling. Use the unique URL that you were given during sign up. In my own case, I type scholastic.distinction.app in the browser. Use the email and password to log in. Once I'm logged in, I have this dashboard and I have courses. So let's go to courses to generate our first course in Scholastic Academy. Once on the courses, you see my generated courses and it's empty now. Click on create course. You have this prompt where you type in the title of the course. If you have any files, you can upload. Here you choose the modules that you want to generate and we choose the difficulty. So I want to generate Introduction to Philosophy, and it's going to be a beginner course. In less than 2 minutes, it will complete generating. As you can see, it has started generating. My description is already there. Welcome to Introduction to Philosophy course. We have the learning objectives, explain the difference between various branches of philosophy, analyze some philosophical arguments, discuss relevance of philosophical thinking to our real world. And as you can see, the modules, three modules which I chose are being generated. The final module is complete, which is course revision, some essay questions, and the final quiz. The next first and the second modules are still being generated. We have 59% completed already. And over here, you can see we have a very nice course banner. Introduction to Philosophy, Spark Curiosity and Critical Thinking. The length is mentioned, the difficulty level, and estimated duration for the course. Our first module is complete. We have the lessons on the aid, understanding philosophy, major philosophers, branches of philosophy, and so on. The second is also complete, and everything is done. So once we have this, as a creator, I want to preview to understand what's being generated. So click on preview, it opens in a new tab, and this is the view your learners will see when they enroll. Uh, so remember, we have three modules generated. For each module, we have lessons. We have 5 lessons, and under each lesson, we have these items. So we have article, which explains uh, the concept in text format, and then we have a video which discusses the topic in detail. We have a flashcard for students to use to reinforce learning. They flip back and forth to try to remember the concept. Then we have quiz for every lesson for students to attempt. And this goes on for each lesson and so on and so forth till they are done. So once I'm satisfied that the course is okay for consumption, the next thing I can do is add it to catalog. This will allow students now have access by me adding it to the catalog. And that's all. We've generated our first course.